These days, controls for machines are still programmed manually. This type of programming requires years of experience and still leaves room for error. Manual machine programming is good, but is good enough for you if you could have the best possible. Instead of the traditional method, Selmo relies on process modeling, because this way, an error-free PLC code can be generated automatically. This small change in the process creates great added value for every machine operator. Because with Selmo's new technology, you can automate machines up to 80% faster because you model processes and the software is automatically generated from them. The error proneness of your software is greatly reduced as all states are defined, and your requirements are met 100% because the program is derived directly from the process model. So your benefits with Selmo are clear. Machines can be put into operation faster. You see any process deviation in real time and can be sure that all the desired machine functions are actually present. And you get increased efficiency, quality, and reliability. From now on, simply with Selmo. Selmo, for software that never lets you down.